Looking through the night with my friend, yeah. I love my queen, yeah. Nancy Jewel McDONIE, yeah. With my friend, yeah. Looking through the night with my friend, yeah. I love my queen, yeah.
Cek kopi.
Cek, kopi, cek.
Ya, mari kita merono. Balik lah. Ala ni aku kuih ku ketemu ya kok tahu ditutup.
Iya kan, udah duit kurang terus bokeh tak jebuk ya. Cepat coy. Jangan balik mana ini?
Lawing kok mereka warung itu untuk ngalir. Mau tekan balik desa ngerin. Kadang itu sebenarnya tangga itu jalan
Karena warung itu kok apa?
gawe nopo ya. Dan kita masalah apa? Kita masalah dari mata
Baut.
ini mata. Oh, mata mata mau repel nggak? Dikai ono repel tapi udah bayar lagi. Kita terlalu
Cepat sekali. Cepat. Anu masalah. Oh anjing. Itu aja.
comments what my fandom name should be. I saw a lot of creative names. I love them all, but a lot of you guys loved a specific name. So we decided to go with Jules. Yeah, so I think there's a lot of reasons you guys suggested it. I love it. It's very unique. It's my middle name. Yeah, I mean, you guys are Jules to me. My middle name is Jules. I mean, it's a very special name to me. Thank you so much for that idea. Everything else was amazing as well. There's other names too, pearls, gems, but those are awesome too. But like the most percentage of it was Jules, and I feel like I should give back what my fans want. In the last video, I did say that I would send a handmade gift that I made in the last video. You can check it out if you want. So we shorted it out to 50 people, and then I'm gonna choose who it is. So here's the names. There's all 50 in here. Here we go. Okay, Mix Kim. Congratulations! I will send you my handmade. So what we're gonna do today is I did post on my Instagram and Twitter that I want to do a Q&A on my YouTube channel. And I asked you guys if you can leave some questions for me to do today. And we gathered a bunch of questions that I'll answer. You know, let's just get to know me. What is your MBTI? My MBTI is ISFP. We're introvert. If we're not working, we always want to go home. We always want to go home and lay down at home. I'm always in my bed trying to do everything in my bed. Like, my family might see it like I'm lazy, but that's even me trying to restore my energy from how much I used outside. Because like I lose my energy from being outside, and you know, I need to restore it, and I need my alone time as well. I don't engage with a lot of people as much as I can. What is your favorite season of the year? I mean, it keeps on changing occasionally. I think it's summer. A few years ago, I always loved winter, the coziness of it, but no, I just don't like being cold. I don't like carrying around heavy jackets, so I like summer. Favorite music to listen to on a rainy day? My favorite song on a rainy day? I think I listen to Paris in the Rain, Love. It's kind of obvious. A lot of people, you guys do it probably, but yeah, I'm obvious like that. Okay, what's your favorite Korean food? My favorite Korean food is 제육볶음. It's a spicy pork, and it's kind of spicy, and you eat it with rice. It's like an everyday kind of meal thing. It's not heavy at all. Very yummy. What's your biggest pet peeve? What does that mean again? I can call Brenda and ask her. What? Oh my dad.
Yes, dear.
Hi, Dad. Dad, I have a question.
Okay.
Do you know what pet peeve means?
I'm sorry, pet peeve?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's something that annoys me.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, like when your mom always complaining about something like this. Pet peeve.
Okay, got it. See you later, bye. So apparently, he gave me a very good explanation. Something that annoys me, so is the biggest pet peeve. When someone leaves the toilet seat up, that's one of my biggest. Is that weird? It is. I get really grossed out a little. Next. What's the most significant challenge you faced in your life, and how did you overcome it? I feel like every day is a challenge, so you know, just go by day. I just go day by day, trying to like live life, you know. Next. What's the worst fashion trend you've ever participated in? I think colorful socks. It was like a thing in middle school. Oh, I remember. It was last year. Orange hair was a thing, and I had to try it. I think I did it for like 2 days, and I was done with it. It wasn't it. Next. What's your favorite book or movie and why? My favorite movies are most Marvel movies. like Marvel DC. Like I'm so into like the storytelling and everything.
Nê mà mê alum daun bunyi gile junan nai yo wang. Nê mà mê alum daun bunyi gile junan nai yo wang. Nê mà mê alum daun bunyi gile junan nai yo wang.